Top story this half hour, federal corruption trial of former Fall River Mayor Jasiel Correia set to begin today.
Yeah, jury selection is going to kick things off at U.S. District Court in Boston. The trial will then begin. It's expected to last about 3 weeks. Erica Ritchie joining us live outside of Government Center in Fall River, where the man on trial served 2 years as mayor.
Yeah, and Danielle, several of the charges Jasiel Correia is facing date back to his time when he was the mayor here, serving out of Government Center in Fall River. The others date back to 2013. All of them going to be on trial today, along with Correia, in federal court in Boston. Jury selection will kick things off this morning at 9 o'clock. That's expected to go until Thursday. After that, starting next Monday, opening statements expected to begin. Then the prosecution is up. Their witnesses expected to help make the case that the former mayor extorted hundreds of thousands of dollars from different marijuana vendors, a building owner, and even his own chief of staff, starting when he first took office in 2015. They'll also work for a conviction on the wire and tax fraud charges he's facing in relation to his failed company, Snow Owl.
If the allegations in today's indictment are true, Mayor Correia has engaged in an outrageous, brazen campaign of corruption, which turned his job into a personal ATM.
I'm not guilty of these charges. I've done nothing but good for the great city of Fall River.
All right, and that was the response from both sides back in 2019 following Correia's second arrest and indictment. That's been his position since the first arrest back in 2018. He has maintained his innocence. He's pleaded not guilty during his several court appearances, and at his last court appearance, he pleaded not guilty to 24 counts of bribery, extortion, and conspiracy. If convicted on any of these charges, Correia is set to spend decades behind bars. Live in Fall River, Erica Ritchie, 12 News.
So it's one of the first trials to be held in federal court in Boston since the beginning of the pandemic, and it has former Fall River Mayor Jasiel Correia at the center of it.
And 12 News reporter Erica Ritchie is live outside of Government Center in Fall River. Erica, this is going to be sort of a hybrid trial involving in-person and virtual components. It could be beneficial for people to watch at home.
Yeah, Danielle, this is going to be a real interesting one because as it stands now, federal law prohibits news outlets from showing any video or using audio from inside of a federal courtroom. And yet, because of the COVID capacity restrictions, Jasiel Correia's trial is going to be live streamed on Zoom for anyone at home to watch. So if you decide that you want to tune in today, you'll be watching the jury selection process get underway. It'll be a 4-day process, beginning with 60 potential jurors and will end with 14 to 16 to be jurors and alternates. Now, COVID concerns also going to be impacting testimony in this trial. 35 witnesses expected to be called over the 3-week trial, where the former Fall River mayor is facing more than 24 charges, including bribery, extortion, and wire fraud. We're told at least 2 of those witnesses have requested to testify remotely because of health concerns. So present in the courtroom, only about 26 people. Judge's orders, including jurors, the judge, court staff, attorneys, and of course, Correia himself. We're not even sure at this time, guys, if there's going to be a pool reporter that's going to be allowed in the courtroom, or if the media is going to be relegated to an overflow room in the courthouse, subject to a video feed. We'll find that out when court begins at 9 o'clock this morning. If you want to go ahead and tune in, just head to our website, WPRI.com. We've got a bunch of links there and instructions as to how you can go ahead and do that. Just be aware you do have to pre-register, so you may want to check that out now. Once again, court beginning at 9 o'clock this morning in Boston. Live in Fall River, Erica Ritchie, 12 News.